Now, there was a post on Facebook this week where a woman in Maine talked about how, in her opinion, using a particular flea and tick prevention product resulted in the death of 2 of her cats.
While not specific to this viewer's case, we've reached out to a local veterinarian to get some do's and don'ts for animal owners as they shop for pet products.
We took our questions to Dr. Alexander Monroe. Is it okay to use dog flea and tick medicine on a cat if you're out of cat stuff?
Not in a great majority of the time. The concentration, the volume of the drug is very different. A lot of the drugs, especially some of the generics that are out there for dogs, contain products at such a high concentration that are directly toxic to cats that you don't even want to use a little bit on a kitty cat.
What are you looking for in a product to make sure you're giving your pet something that's safe for them?
The ingredients, you got to look out for product labeling. If it says don't use it on a specific type of animal, don't use it. It's not always just about the price. You've got to know what's in it. Certain groups of medications like pyrethrins and permethrins you maybe want to avoid for cats specifically, because even some of the cats using the cat product, there's still a small chance they could have an adverse reaction that mimics what looks like a seizure with a lot of shaking and tremoring, but it's actually treated in a very different way.
If your pet has an adverse reaction to some type of a treatment you give them, first thing you do
is you bathe them. You take them in just warm water, Dawn dish liquid, right over the spot that you applied it to. Rinse and repeat, and if they start to have what looks like severe tremors all over their body, especially with some of the generic flea and tick medications, then you really do need to have them seen.
What's the most surefire way to know you're getting the right stuff?
Pay attention to labels. If it says don't put it on your cat, don't put it on your cat. Also with people that have a rabbit, if you have frontline, don't put that on your rabbit. Make sure you're reading your labels and putting the appropriate dose in your animal based on their body weight, based on the species of the animal. Don't just go by price.
So obviously the message loud and clear is just be super careful, because nobody is trying to intentionally harm their pets. They're going out to get preventative care, and you just have to be careful what you're using.
So in this case, cats and dogs definitely do not mix.
Yeah, don't say, oh, I got some dog stuff and throw it on the cat. Not a good idea. All right.